Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Booster channel. Today, we are going to learn English conversation in a cafe in a very simple and easy way.
By the way, I am Imli.
And I am Alex.
In this video, you will learn simple and useful English sentences.
But before we start, I have a small question for you. Question: what do you say when you want to order coffee in English? Listen carefully. The answer is in this video.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Amali. I want to learn how to speak English in a cafe.
Great! Today we will practice real-life conversation step by step. Entering the cafe.
What should I say when I enter a cafe?
You can say something simple like hello or hi.
Hello.
Hi, welcome. Asking for menu.
What should I say to see the menu?
You can say, can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you go. Ordering food, main part. Now let's learn how to order food.
I would like a coffee, please.
Sure, what kind of coffee would you like?
I would like a cappuccino.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I would like a sandwich.
Follow-up questions. Sometimes staff will ask more questions. Hot or cold coffee?
Hot, please.
Small or large?
Medium, please.
Confirm order. 1 cappuccino and 1 sandwich. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Paying.
How do I pay?
You can say, how much is it?
How much is it?
It's $8.
Here you go.
Waiting for order. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Receiving order. Here is your coffee and sandwich.
Thank you so much.
Sitting and small talk.
What if I want to talk to someone?
You can use simple sentences. This coffee is very good.
Yes, it tastes great.
Problem situation.
What if something is wrong?
Good question. Let's practice.
Excuse me, this is cold.
I'm sorry, I will replace it. Asking for Wi-Fi.
Can I ask for Wi-Fi?
Yes, of course.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the receipt. Leaving the cafe. Now it's time to leave.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Final review. Today we learned greeting, asking for menu, ordering food, paying, small talk.
Now I can speak English in a cafe.
We learned how to order food in a cafe, but real life is not always that simple, right?
Yeah, sometimes I feel like, what do I say next?
Exactly. So today we're going deeper, more natural, more real English. Stay with us till the end. You'll sound much more natural. Xme, can I sit anywhere in the cafe?
Yeah, most of the time you can.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Thanks.
Hey, Alex, this place is nice.
Yeah, I know, right? The vibe is really chill here.
Yeah, I like it. It feels cozy.
I'm not sure what to order.
Take your time, no rush.
What are you getting?
I'm thinking of getting a latte, maybe with a brownie.
Oh, that sounds good. I might get the same. Actually, can I change my order?
Yeah, no problem. What would you like instead?
I'd like iced coffee instead.
Got it.
Wow, this coffee smells amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty good. You're gonna love it.
I can't wait to try it. Oh, wow, this is really good.
Told you.
This is way better than I expected.
Yeah, this cafe never disappoints.
Excuse me, can I get some extra sugar?
Sure thing.
Hey, I'm at the cafe right now.
Talking to a friend?
Yeah. It's a bit noisy today, huh?
Yeah, kinda busy, but I like the energy.
Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. Let me fix it.
No problem, thank you. We should come here again sometime.
Yeah, for sure.
Excuse me, can we get the pill?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Can we split the bill?
Yeah, no worries.
That was fun.
Yeah, totally.
Thanks. See you next time.
Take care.
So today you learned how to speak naturally in a cafe.
Yeah, now I feel like I can actually talk in real life.
Now, here's a question for you. What would you order at a cafe? Say it in English in the comments.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's normal.
Yeah, just keep practicing. You're doing great. Hey guys, we had a really nice time at the cafe, right?
Yeah, honestly, I didn't expect it to be this easy.
See? English becomes easy when you use it in real situations. But today, we're going even deeper. We'll talk more naturally, like real people do. Not textbook English, but real life English. So stay with us till the end, okay?
Hey, Alex, we're back here again.
Yeah, I told you, this place is kind of addictive.
Yeah, seriously, I like the vibe here.
Should we sit at the same table?
Yeah, if it's free. Let's check. Excuse me, is this table available?
Yeah, go ahead, it's all yours.
Nice, thanks.
So, how's your day going?
Pretty good, actually. Just a bit tired.
Yeah, same here. It's been a long day.
But hey, coffee fixes everything.
True, that's why we're here.
There's so many options. It's kind of confusing.
Yeah, menus can be overwhelming sometimes.
What do you recommend?
Our cold coffee and chocolate cake are really popular.
Oh, that sounds good.
I'm not sure.
Take your time, no pressure.
Okay, I think I'll go with cold coffee.
Nice choice.
Hi, can I get a cold coffee, please?
Sure thing. Anything else?
Yeah, maybe a chocolate cake.
Good pick.
I'm kind of excited now.
Food always makes you happy, huh?
Yeah, guilty.
So, do you come here often?
Yeah, pretty often. It's like my go-to place.
Go-to place. I like that phrase.
Yeah, it means your favorite place.
Look at that couple over there.
Yeah, they look like they're on a date.
Cute.
Here's your cold coffee and chocolate cake.
Yay! Thank you so much.
Oh, wow, this is so good.
Told ya.
This is amazing, like seriously.
Yeah, it hits different.
I feel so relaxed right now.
Yeah, this place has that chill vibe.
Wait, let me take a picture.
Of course, food before eating.
Of course.
I'm gonna post this.
Don't forget to tag the cafe.
Oh, hey, my friend is here.
Oh, really?
Hey, over here.
Alex, this is my friend. Nice to meet you.
We're just chilling here.
Yeah, just having coffee.
Do you want something?
Yeah, I might grab another coffee.
I feel kinda sleepy now.
You need another coffee.
Wait, did we already pay?
Nope, not yet.
Excuse me, can we get the bill?
Sure, coming right up.
I'll pay this time.
All right, your treat.
That was really nice.
Yeah, we should do this again. So today, you learned how to speak naturally in a cafe.
Yeah, not just English, real English.
Now here's your question. What would you order at a cafe? Say it in English.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Yeah, just keep going. You're doing great.
Write in comments and practice English daily.
Like,
Share.
subscribe.
Keep learning. Keep smiling.
See you soon.